Welcome to my channel. Brother L2395DW offline. Quick Wi-Fi printing fix. 1. Check the printer's Wi-Fi status. Start by checking the Wi-Fi icon or network information on the printer display. Make sure the L2395DW is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. 2. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off and wait about 30 seconds. Turn it back on and give it a minute to reconnect to your network. 3. Reboot your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait until the Wi-Fi is fully restored before testing the printer again. 4. Remove the offline status. On your Windows computer, open Settings, Bluetooth devices, Printer scanners. Select your Brother printer and make sure Use Printer Offline is not enabled. 5. Set the Brother printer as default. In the same printer settings, choose the L2395DW and set it as your default printer. This prevents print jobs from being sent to another device. 6. Clear stuck print jobs. Open the printer queue and cancel any documents that are waiting. A single frozen job can sometimes make the printer appear unavailable. 7. Confirm the correct network. If your router has separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi names, check that your computer and printer are connected to the network that your setup is using. 8. Print a network report. Use the printer's network settings to print a network configuration report. Check whether the printer has received a valid IP address from your router. 9. Reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. If the network details look wrong, run the wireless setup again from the printer's menu. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter the password carefully, and allow the connection to finish. 10. Test with a fresh print. After reconnecting, restart the computer and send a small test document. If it prints normally, the offline problem should be resolved without reinstalling the printer. Thanks for watching.